What they're saying here is the brain is not limited to the little thing inside your head here. The brain is not just this thing. I mean, when I was in school taking anatomy courses, one day it clicked for me. The spinal cord has gray matter. And that's when I realized that the brain is actually this and that and all the nerve roots. That's the brain. This is a specialized portion of the brain for special duties. But what they're saying is that it's scale invariant. Scale, size, invariant. It means that the consciousness that appears to be in this brain exhibiting EEG patterns actually goes to a quantum scale down inside the microtubules, and it goes to the universal scale outside of what appears to be contained inside my skull. That's the implications of this new paradigm. The brain is scale invariant, extends both upward from the level of neurons to larger and larger neural networks in the cosmos, right? Mind-blowing.